Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to this detailed tutorial on replacing the motor and filter in your Dyson DC08 vacuum cleaner. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. You may also want a soft cloth for cleaning purposes. First, unplug your Dyson DC08 from the mains to ensure safety. Start by removing the dust canister. Simply press the release button and lift it off. This will give you better access to the motor area. Next, use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the top cover of the vacuum. There are typically 4 screws located at the back and sides. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the top cover off. You may need to wiggle it slightly to free it from any clips. With the cover removed, you will see the motor assembly. Before proceeding, take a moment to inspect the area for any dust buildup. A clean environment is crucial for effective repairs. Now, locate the motor. It is usually secured with additional screws. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws. Be cautious as you lift the motor out. There may be wires connected to it. If you encounter any resistance, double-check for any screws you may have missed. Once the motor is free, disconnect the wires carefully. Note the arrangement of the wires for reassembly. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the help you need without any pressure. With the motor removed, it's time to replace the filter. Locate the filter compartment, which is often situated near the motor. Remove the old filter and dispose of it properly. Take your new filter and insert it into the compartment, ensuring it fits snugly. A clean filter is essential for optimal performance. Now let's focus on the new motor. Connect the wires back to the motor, following the arrangement you noted earlier. Once connected, carefully place the motor back into its housing. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. After the motor is secured, it's time to reattach the top cover. Align it properly and press down gently until it clicks into place. Then, use your Phillips screwdriver to replace the screws, ensuring everything is tightly secured. Before you finish, take a moment to clean any dust or debris from the interior of the vacuum. A clean machine not only performs better, but also lasts longer. Finally, reattach the dust canister by aligning it with the base and pressing down until it clicks. Plug your Dyson DC08 back into the mains and give it a test run. If you notice any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for our collection and delivery at your home service. We can provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the motor and filter in your Dyson DC08. Regular maintenance will keep your vacuum running efficiently for years to come. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.